filing?
No, the UCC one, for others to understand, is the Uniform Commercial Code one. Uniform Commercial Code is if you have a business, such as, let's say, factory. You manufacture some things and you have equipment that's very expensive and you're afraid one of the employees will go after you. You're a doctor. You're afraid somebody comes after the equipment you have. You're a dentist or a chiropractor. You have very expensive equipment. When we strip the equity on your homes, we file the liens on the homes. These are mortgage liens. When you have a business, we file a Uniform Commercial Code 1 and we strip the equity on the equipment and all this. We even put serial numbers and we do that for you. We send you the documents and you're all set up. We set you up within 2-3 weeks maximum. Sometimes takes longer if there are some questions and complicated setups, but that's what we do. Now, regarding your options account, trading account, I've had people that set up the structure with us, the ultimate structure that we have for asset protection, and they say to us, I got 300,000 in my trading account. If somebody sues me in the process of discovery, when we go and sit and they say, what do you have? What are your assets? I got to tell the truth. Well, guess what? When you set up the Wyoming LLC, we set you up, we show you choices of virtual bank accounts. And now we have updated even that list. And you can actually transfer your trading account from your name or your family name to the Wyoming LLC name. And the Wyoming LLC, remember, flows through to your living trust. So it's extremely powerful. And by the way, don't worry, if you guys, whoever is listening to this, you don't have a living trust, we set you up with one. It's part of what we do. It's part of the package. But when you move it to the living trust, it's not reachable now. Why? Because you're not the beneficiary. The living trust is the beneficiary. If something happens to you, there are instructions, and it's just you bypass the probate, you have protection, you have the best structure.